ka Meghalaya State Skills Development Society haka sengibar jong tayo kota haka ar tarik ubnai leber arajar ar kala pelipaj ba ya kayo kabala di ya kitiar ki Shna hi jong kitrai Jylla ya kabala penlong State Central Library Shillong haka ba ikong RV Suchiang ibadai Meghalaya Chief Secretary IAS ke Jylla ilawan poi kum ikong san. Ketika yo Haat Bazaar kabala penlong gande ke jingkring ya ki samla ke Jylla banwan syakmat ban simbentan nak benta ban peniat ya kitiar sinakti bat kum juru ki kam than ki kam wet bat ki kam ri jingri yatu ikong mar sasuk tariang ibadai Administration Officer Meghalaya State Skill Development Society bat uba Audrey Khonglam ubadai SDO ke East Khasi Hills MSSDS habakran hakilat pathai kubor. Kene kayo gadi ke benta jong ki samla banyang halaki jong ki kejat kumbala persengau da Prime Minister badan buram gari India Narendra Modi nak sakapor haba jingkren nak benta ki khun samla jong gari banyang halaki jong ki kejat
ka kalak simkhia ba kumno ban penkiu yakini ki entrepreneurs ki badan hapok kari ke jongi pun na pedang juki le se ki nang bantan yaki designs ki babon bun le se ki don ki nang ban shinai ki wine bun le se ki nang ban le ya food processing ndai ka jaka bakin deal na ban market le ne ban de ki to kamdan tika MSSDS kaya le shi tamunta kumno ban wanra ka platform kum kane ka Haat Bazaar khang bangin susu ba kibejungi ki mamtang makidon ya kasap ne kin yo ru ya kane ka jaka ka bakin di kini ki mar ki mata ki joki kham te me bakin sung thu ru ka ba ki don kam ban pen itnat susu dan ne khat ya ka tin kharen ka value addition tang bakin chudi ki mar joki ne kan don ru ka kanja kum ka packaging ka bakham biang ka quality ka bakham biang khana bakan kham la ban punya iyo ki
tik ni yo in
ni la yakte ka Bethany Society and then ngi don ru ki trainees ni khat ki nong simta ki ba dunah ki department badunah ki board yo i nang tada ki bumla ban yo asmo then haka integrated farming kini ki trainees ki la le bahasa ibun padmanta ki le ya kan ka bukashi type of organic training kan ka Japanese concept haka ba ki ri kini ki jingri jong ki PCR ki siang ki bom dan kenu ka jisma kada don kata ka mechanism ka ba ki ong ni ka teknik ka ba ki penikai ki ban ri jingri ban thung ki ni ki jhur ki so lem kanu ka pesticide ka ban ong ka dawai ban ai ka khandau le ka long organic bai ka natural farming system da tin hare Chief Minister jong ka Meghalaya ula da launch ka skill Meghalaya tikani ka program ka ba kia bha na banta ka state ka ba ngi mu ba ngin train kumba 8000 ngut ki khna ka system hakini ki trainees ki ba pher tang haka handicraft but hakane ka bangi omingi ka kini ki trainings ki ba la ban ai kam ai jam script bede ki jaka sabar jong kari ndai ki trainings ki ba ki la ban yang halor ki jong ki kejat nang ba le dengan shuai nuk saya ki ka bangi ngile kini ka paragliding ka bangi mut ban stang munta in train life ngot kini ki kena samla kumjo ki masters trainers shi phongot namar kani ka jumlong jong kani ka ri jongi ka mat ba ki lu wa ki biang ba
reskilling. But then because the sectors you have talked about like poultry and animal husbandry, we need convergence with other line departments who are already working on it, like labor department, animal husbandry department. So we are having these coordination meetings so that we can maybe dovetail the funds and the schemes that they have for the promotion of economy, and then we can come in there regarding the skilling part. So then first we will skill. After that, when it goes into the value chain, the other line departments will converge with MSSDS to provide them that kind of support.
Sha nagbenta ka training jong ni ki khna tang bangi ko ban train ni ki trainings ki ba pher ka don ru ka bangi khat haka ne ka skill ne ka halia ka bangi ne kan don ka forward but ka market linkage kamut ka bangi in penyakte bat punya so ki bat ki le se ki departments ni ki laban long ki chain value chain ka bangi ong ka pareng hungo bakin di ki these products ki jong ki nang kada ka financial part ka long bangi te bat ki banks for example kadang ke North East Finance Bank ke bangi la ya tek nang bana mak tu kadang ke zero interest ta kamot kini ki entrepreneurs ki baya ki bangi training ki la ban avail ya ka tu kan don hadu san lak makana ka sabat ka phong da pimdan ya ka assessment ba training ka jenjar wa ya pi ba pun market pi bandan ya ka training ka bha ka le si khot ya ka talent ndai ka ba kongsan kadang kolong bagi haban ni upskill ya ladi ni ban pentebet shu ya ladi kham kin yo ga tu certificate ba ki bri kin so scam ya ka ka bagi ki social ni ka ka bagi ki Shna ni ka bagi so ni ka bagi kan dang man ha kani ngila sedang ya ki empanelment process ka ba ngila ya le bat ki districts barok ki wei bat kani ka de lingba ka district skill committee ba chairman hi de DC jong ka district nang tabri kini ki DC ki hapan ayengi ya kani ka demand driven demand driven kind of trainings ka ba ki district ki laban ki aspirations jong ki kena na ki districts ka ba ki kwa ban train namar barabor ni shedan ya kani ka top down approach ka bang ni ong one by the central government and in the state ban le ki training ka fair dai hapo ka sangkal pada kani ka decentralization kadai ka way ka bang ni ailat ya ki districts bakin rai ni bakin shim ni bakin pa ki proposals jong ki baya ha ba ka district jong ki nang ba ki kena ki basa ba shong ka district ni yo no
Organize this Haat Bazaar today so that we can support our local entrepreneurs. Many of the stalls who have come, many of them are our training partners in MSSDS who have trained many of our candidates here. So this basically is to provide them a platform so that they can market their produce, sell their produce, and also they can get the feedback from the customers regarding if there is anything they can change in their product, and also like just a publicity for them.
See, for
This Haat Bazaar is like a pilot for us because there has been lot of disruption due to COVID in last 2 years. So this is just the start of the thing. We are planning to have similar fairs in Kyntiew Hills, in Jylla, and maybe in Tura in next month. And then based on the feedback and the sales that we get, based on that we'll have a meeting, and then if the feedback is good, we'll plan to have more of such fairs in different locations in Shillong in the coming months. With respect to the MSME sector, we have to focus on the things that are relevant to our state. For example, we have lot of potential in food processing sector, and also maybe we can give some trainings in tourism sector, logistics, tour operators. So these will be our focus areas going forward. And also our youth has lot of potential when it comes to communication skills, hospitality. So we'll be giving trainings going forward. We have already launched one scheme called Skill Meghalaya. So now it is in the pipeline. We have already impaneled more than 15 training providers. Initially they will be given some pilot target based on how they are able to place them or give them some self-employment opportunities. We will take the review and then we can take it forward from there. If they are selling just the raw material, then maybe the profit margin will also be very less. And because this is a sector where there is a gap, as you have rightly said that there are not many food processing units available for our farmers. So right now we have this prime program and the focus program through which we are trying to promote it. Our target is to converge these two programs with the skilling that we are doing in MSSDS. So the people who we are training in trades like marketing of produce and the packaging and all those things, we will also be hand-holding them with some financial support. We will link them to banks so that they can get the financial support, or maybe we can provide them some tools, the startup tools kits after the training, so that they can use it and then they can market their produce better.